Attention TV MOBBia happy new year. Nyankopon abo Attention TV ni yahwefo nyina ho ban. Yakodi bronya ni new year. Eye de ye papa. Na meka se eye da, enye se bia chilling bia na nkokọ nam bia yakowe ana mponchi bia yakowe na ama Christmas ya de bida. Na emo Nyankopon abo ye ho ban. Ye ne omo sha se eye 2023 na ne ye hwehwe bebre na enka ye ho. Na se ye timi awura eye 2024 na ye Nyankopon bambo bi na chese bronya no aye de yi ankasa nyame ache ye nkwa bronya ne de no ni nyina ano na aya na bi ka se bronya ye de bi wo nkwa aye dama na ye 31st bedu ana asofo ni asofo asori ana eno so aye insensem bebre 31st na eye sabi asofo no dodo na ede nkom hye akese eba eye prophet Kofi Oduro eye ne oda alabaster ministry ano opiemu ewo United Showbase so aye bisa ne say die nti na asofo no ye ntimi ma prophecy na emu edu 31st na ya tree book ne ya keka prophecy number 1 prophecy number 2 Prophet Kofi Oduro chese wono de ohun ti ase anase nyansa bia ewo eye sa nkom hye na omode ba eye 31st ne se Nyankopon kasa enapa okasa wi okasa na dwo okasa anytime eye Ramadan dwo okasa Easter dwo okasa bronya okasa chese bibia mu Nyankopon kasa enti asofo na sebe 31st no matwe book 10 na omode prophecy number 1 aba no ono de ohun maturity anase nyansa bia ewom when a year Reverend Owusu Bempah etis ansam ye Prophet Kofi Oduro eyi anu o UTV no so etra na konwa kasie mu pa e wona na so dem ono so kita prophecy tintintin eye papa Owusu Bempah say eye Elijah antro bibia anto anka na ye nya bibi nka no ho sa na Ezekiel so o prophesy e ka kire nompe ho akokwa say enompe ye nkwa emra ho a sa nompe ne ntempara enkwa ba mu say eye Ezekiel wantro sa ade na anka ye nya bi nye den enka Yesu Kristo gonya ne nadamfo paragraphs no sa nsam nya say antro anto anka na me no mie no Bible no anka ye empty tontrowa ye nya bi enka no ntina aya edu sa time na so munya prophecy na mo so ma fa book ana say o ma fa pen atoso na ma trust ne be ye enkai dum bia wie ye be ni twem na say wi ase foforo ba ye benya Owusu Bempah chapter 1 verse number 28 na yen so yenya bi akenka yentie eye papa Owusu Bempah enu ma sembra sesia
ma meka but meka na kasakoam ebi so ma meka ba meka no kasa obetiasi me thick darkness.
Now I saw thick darkness.
Esum
thick
kabi
darkness.
Se ato me so.
I saw thick darkness that it fell. Thick darkness fell on the nation.
Na bibia esizi. Bibia sizi.
Now when the darkness fell upon the nation, everything ceased.
Nana very serious.
And it was pretty serious.
Esum
darkness.
Kabi.
Thick darkness. Utter
thick
darkness.
Darkness. Said ya de ne ye no. Wan hwe ase wi ase nyina. E de na besi a ebe maka na nyina.
Now
ebe off.
Come to think of it. What can happen in Ghana that will make darkness cover Ghana?
Doesn't make sense.
Now, maybe what I'm saying may sound unintelligible in our minds. But let's pray about it.
So first na yesi akoso bo ana omo hwe no via refo no hwan me pa chaw omo ni nkon ne ma bisu ye.
Let them pay attention to certain things.
We dey enya doom so ebeba boom at once.
This will not be doom so, it may be doom without so doom
bibia be seize,
everything will cease.
Na so nyame dan huntasem say adia.
Now when God reveals a thing like this,
ana ye fa no mienu.
It may be possible, it may have two meanings.
Darkness says here, ana kasa mienu, ewo ninchase mienu.
Now, the significance of darkness of the kind I saw may be twofold. It may be a spiritual thing or a physical thing. Either of them are not good. So we must pray
because so fear near Doom Kania 3 days and now 1 week.
Because imagine
businesses, companies are affected. Second one, now
the second one is that I saw that the sea had turned bloody.
Now
let me explain this a bit. Now the sea represents Ghana. Now the way I saw that the sea had become bloody, the significance of it is that there will be rampant death, spillage of blood in this year. Now I saw the revelation in a proverb. I saw the sea. And I saw sharks fighting, wrestling in the sea.
And a fish wounded.
And as they were fighting and wrestling amongst themselves, other fishes in the sea got wounded. And so the surface of the sea became bloody.
2024 election.
You see, this year's election, please let's pay attention to this. Do not be so concerned about who is going to win.
But let
us be concerned about the loss of life and the spillage of blood. But if God does not intervene in the state of affairs, in the course of the election, there will be confusion, and it may cause mayhem. And some people will say, we will not accept it. And through that,
confusion
some of them wanted to take a certain decision, and the other party were opposed.
I believe Sassoja for the Anka Omutie Omumpenifu Asem. But on Yamia Mamubia confusion never started from Penifonum, ne Sanako and Kwalanum. Or Candy for our di or some Kessia be a nim.
So, a leader of a religious body.
I believe, sir, you were Christians, you were Muslims. My fan say you sorry, and I owe Hindu. And you're Krishna, and Saromba down Crampa, you're Pentecost.
Medasi BM say, Oje bread tram, ye queen chua, Yasensia, Macram.